Hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'm sat in Fred the Clio once again. This is on the back of the other video that I've literally just finished recording 30 seconds ago. This is how to do a hazard switch change in a MK2 Clio. It should work for the normal versions and the campus versions. I don't see there being any difference. The dashboard's exactly the same and it should all work the same again. So I've already released the radio. Have a look in the description. There will be a link to my video on how to remove one of these. So once you've removed this, you will see you'll have full access to the behind of the hazard switch. This one does work, my other one didn't. I just had a mess around with this before. You can feel, you're probably not going to see it, but there's a wire just underneath the button itself. You can feel the back of it. If you just push out on that, eventually it will just pop free. Then what you're going to want to do is there's a little clip at the back, and it's a bit fiddly, but you just push it in there and pull on the hazard switch itself. So there we go, it just pops out. It's like a little plug there. Make sure you always buy the right one. There will be part numbers and stuff on these things. I bought this off eBay for about £5. They're extremely cheap and it's worth doing. The fault on mine was, you can hear here that it clicks on and then clicks off, whereas before it never actually clicked. It sort of clicked when you turned it off and then it stayed on, and you could never get the hazards to turn off, and in turn it killed my battery because I didn't realise it did that. And obviously to put the new one back in, you just simply line it up, put your plug back in, and there you go, it works straight away once again. Then pop it back into its housing, it will just click back in, turn it off, turn it on again just to make sure it still works, which it does. Turn her off, put the radio back in, and that is it. Job is done. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to change the MK2 Clio hazard switch for the campus and normal model. If you did, leave a like, and if you've got any thoughts on this video or any other videos, leave a comment, and it would be much appreciated. Love seeing some feedback. Thanks again for watching, and see you in a bit.